Hey everyone, Game Master is here. For today's video, we're going to talk about regarding how to stake a USD and start earning money by watching by ads. So let's dive in. Before we continue, disclaimer, this content of this video is for educational purposes only and not a financial advisor. Do your own research and do it with your own risk. This I will show you this website of them, guys. Is an AI blockchain double track. The hottest opportunity. This is a newly launched project that has quickly become the most exciting and popular one. Absolutely not to be missed. So I'm going to discuss to you how to register to their account. If you're seeing to their website, just simple clicking the stake and you will go right here to their login form. So you need to register now. Click register now. Then just input your email address. You can put your verification code that will be sent to your email account, and you can input also your password and confirm password, then register. Okay, upon logging to this screen, you can see like this. I'm going to log in my account. Now that we are in the login screen, guys, you can see your account. So how to deposit to this game. After you're registering, just simply clicking the link on the description or to our comment section. You see your account here. You can click your account and you can see deposit by depositing your BSC or Tron wallet. You can also scan this the QR code by using your central exchange application to your cell phone, or you can just copy the BSC address wallet to your central exchange. There's two choices of network that you can use. You can use BSC or Tron, and also you can withdraw your account instantly by BSC and Tron. And right now, this is the how to deposit and how to withdraw to this platform that they have. And this is their name of their apps is Look. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. If you have any question regarding on this, just comment down below. You can see there's a 25 ads here. Is a 25 amount of USDT there by watching this. So you need to stake more to unlock these ads to watch and to start earning. And you can also visit their social media account in X account, their Facebook, and Telegram. Okay. So you will if you want to check on that link, I'm going to put that to our description also. So to stake, this is the amount you have need to stake to start earning. And this now, if you stake the amount of 8.595 USDT, can go to this like VIP 1. So the second is amount of 34.38 USDT to more gaining more VIP points. So this the third one is 63 and so on up to 8.488k USDT. So if you have already inputting or staking your USD, you can start earning to this platform. And by choosing the ads regarding about how, and you can see there's a certain amount of 25 to 20 and you can start earning like that. Then go to the stake if you have no account. Then staking more, upgrading your stake can be increased your daily earning. Yan, by staking, by watching the ad, you can start earning USDT. If you have any question regarding about this platform, feel free to ask to the comment section. And to all the link and you can check it into the description area or to the description section or comment section, so you can avoid any scamming or phishing site that already spreading all over to the internet. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to smash the like button and click the notification bell and start subscribing to my channel. That's it from now. Thank you so much. Game Master out. Peace.